Okay, I just got done doing an amazing workout on my rooftop, and the moment I stopped, it just started raining. And so, look at this, it's so beautiful. This is my rooftop. I mean, it's calmed down a little bit, but it's like my yoga mat is a little wet. I'm just like, this is amazing. Ah, it's so refreshing because it's been so hot. I wake up in the morning and it's like 82 to 91 degrees Fahrenheit at 8 o'clock in the morning usually. So, I mean, yeah, and this is like heaven to be having rainy season back. And this is just the beginning of it. And it's funny because when rainy season happens, the parking lot completely floods, so everybody's walking around in their flip-flops and water's everywhere, and their feet are doused in water. So I'm loving this. This is my view. It's so awesome. Okay. Keep working out. Keep doing things that you love. Big hugs, big love.